Yo, what's good? It's been a whole minute since I've posted on YouTube, okay? And there's just been a few technical issues, but now I've been able to get some videos out. And I just want to make this quick. I've taken a lot of trades this week and I've ended up like break even, just a bit above profit. So it's not too bad. We have to blitz through all this. So if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe. You know, I'm not going to stop till I get to the top, but let's get to it. Okay, starting with Monday on Euro USD, I took a buy here. The reason why I took a buy here was because it was at the bottom of the range. That's simple. It also grabbed a bit of liquidity down below, and you can clearly see I was actually right on where price did go. It just went down a bit more to grab the rest of the liquidity around this area before pushing up. So the lesson to learn here is that for this setup, if price doesn't grab all of the liquidity, don't take the trade because price just may just come down for it. Or just to bring the stop loss tighter. Bring it tighter so you lose less. For this one, we got a dub, guys. We got two trades here, two dubs. I sized in as well. Essentially, my plan here was because since price went up first and came down again, it's also at the bottom of a range, which I just had this experience like last week. That means I've literally been through this exact same pattern before, and I knew that if I held this throughout the whole thing, in the end, I probably would have made way less, like half or less than half the amount of money that I did make from these two trades. So I put a set take profit for this. Is there anything that I could have done better? Not really. I did take a later trade because I was, I think, downstairs cooking or some shit like that. So lesson to learn is just be here. And what happened here is that price was just in a range, mini range. It grabbed the bottom of it, good timing, everything. And I just had to take profit at the daily open. One of those small take profit trades. So I had like 1 to 2s essentially. Coming to, I think we're on GBP USD now. Coming to GBP USD, I took these on another account and you can clearly see that I was just finessing the market. I don't know why when I don't really care too much that price does better. This is what happened though. So took two W's here. The lesson I can learn overall just off the rip is to have faith in your trades, because if I would have taken these trades and took on my other account, I would have been up a whole lot more. So that's my fault. This trade here, I took a sell here. The lesson I can learn from this trade is simply due to just being more patient, because I was waiting for price to actually get to this area. And you can clearly see that when price was actually at the right time, I was too hasty, and when price hit the weekly price and pushed to the downside, I instantly hopped in when I could have just waited for price to come up here. And if I would have waited for price to come up here, I probably would have taken a sell here. And if I didn't take a sell here and I was patient, I could have potentially held this all the way to the top here, and I would have taken a sell around here and maybe would have catched the whole move. Because my whole plan was for price to push down. It did push down, just pushed down a bit later. This trade, finishing off with the last trade on Friday, which was a sell here. I was expecting price to continue pushing down from the range, although price had a different bias, which it wanted to stay in the range, so price was reactive. As soon as it hit the bottom of the range, you can clearly see that price kind of retested this monthly open price, which I remember clearly. It was retesting it in a good time as well, and I was like, there ain't no way it's gonna push up. It turns out that it pushed up, so this was clearly just a wrong biased decision. So overall, guys, what I can learn from this is just to be more confident. Take the trades that I've taken on my other account on my main account as well, make them both take the same amount, and also just to believe more in the range than the breakout, essentially. So if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe. You know I'm not going to stop till I get to the top. Peace.